Hey guys, so today I wanted to film a quick unboxing of the little Freebies box from Bloomingdales, and this box that I received was I believe it's the skincare starter kit. So I just wanted to show you guys kind of quickly what's inside. So I did get this for free from Bloomingdales, and I got it through the company Post. So if you like Bloomingdales on Instagram or Facebook, occasionally they will have these pop-ups that come up randomly, and you're able to sign up, and then you get an email to let you know if you've been approved or not, and then they just send you a bunch of, goodies in the box in the mail. And sometimes, well, not sometimes, like always, they'll send you a little survey afterwards for you to fill out, letting you know how you like the items in the box. So this specific box, as I mentioned before, is the skincare starter kit. It says cleanse, tone, moisturize, and repeat. And you get a Cle De Peau cleansing water, a Kiehls toner, Cle De Peau moisturizer, and magic cream with hyaluronic acid by Tilbury. So it's really cute. And so the first thing that I see in the box is this Kiehls Calendula Herbal Extract Toner that's alcohol free. A pretty decent size, I will say. I do use the cleanser and I really do enjoy it. So I'm excited to try this out. The next thing that I see in here are these two little samples by Cle De Peau. And this is, what is this one? This is La Creme. And these are the ingredients, and I know Cle De Peau is a really expensive brand, so I'm excited to try this out. Next thing that I see in here is the Cle De Peau cleansing water, and this is what the back of it looks like. So I'm excited to try this out. And the last thing that's in here is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, and this is, I believe this is a moisturizer. So I'll just quickly open up the box and show you guys what the packaging and box looks like. I don't know why this is not coming out of the box. Okay, there we go. So this is what it looks like. So very cute. This is the bottom of it. So yeah. So that's pretty much it. It's really exciting, and I can't wait to try out these products. So as a quick recap, we got the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, the Kiehls Calendula Toner, and then the two Cle De Peau moisturizer as well as cleanser, and the little card that it came with. So overall, it's great that it was, free. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.